Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Friday. What's really happening on the market? We see that the dollar is losing some momentum here and there. And yeah, obviously we have NFP later. Today we left with few hours, obviously. So you can see 2:30. I will be on a live session on Trader Nick channel. So the estimate here, they say maybe the number will be going a little bit lower. If it's like that, we are just going to continue buying. Already we see the dollar, it's losing some momentum here and there. As we are going to go on our analysis, you will see that. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's jump straight to that. So besides everything, let's say if okay, let me just plug. So if maybe, let's say, as we expecting NFP, we are expecting NFP. So if NFP is going to be weaker, expect the likes of gold, Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500 to go higher. If it's going to be positive, it means those, sorry. Sorry. So it means those pairs are going to actually give us a nice sell. But already it seems like the market has been trying to go up already. Yesterday, the market did not actually move. Day before, I think it was a holiday, Independent Day in the US, or the market was just quite slower. But we know the reason behind that. It was because of NFP, right? So now we are here. I just started with Bitcoin because it's my throat. Sorry, guys. So because I saw that it's actually melting. So let's go on a daily time frame. We just broke out of that 4-hour trend. This is what we see. Yeah, this it's coming from 70, guys. From 70K, where we were there, we were actually here to 54. That's too much. That's way too much. And we don't know if maybe it will be continuing like that. But you can see that the overall structure, it was actually a very nice bullish move. We had a nice support area and the market actually broke out of that. So that shows us that now we are supposed to look for sell positions. That's what we have at the moment. So it might continue going even lower. That's what we have at the moment on Bitcoin. So yeah, things are not moving that smooth. So on dollar index, this shows the strength of the dollar. So while we are here, you can easily see that the market is reversing. Yes, I like this. I like what I see. I think if NFP is going to be weaker, I'm expecting to see the market reaching this support area. Maybe we might have a breakout, or maybe the market will then bounce back if things are going to be positive in favor of the dollar. But at the moment, it seems like things are not looking good. We saw some few economic news which were losing the momentum quite slow. And it seems like, yes, now we are going to talk about at least the rates cuts, because we want to see the dollar going lower before we cut the rates. And I think they're going to do that. I think they will be doing that. Plus, most of the FOMC meetings, they were actually neutral. They did not really add much on cutting or maybe increasing the rates. So they're just waiting for actually the events that we were receiving all this month and all these weeks. And next weeks, we're going to see what is going to happen. Are the rates going down or not? But with the structure of DXY, we can see that the dollar is losing some momentum, which is good. So maybe the market might end up reaching this level later on. We left with very few hours. I think maybe 1, 2, 3. Let's say with in less than 4 hours, we are going to have NFP. So should we jump in or not? I think we just have to wait at the moment. But it seems like we're going to have a nice sell. So I might be wrong, but we'll just wait and see. But at the moment, just know that the dollar is losing some momentum, which means other pairs which are going against the dollar, they are gaining something. That's why we see here on Euro USD, we are coming from this short, a bullish move. Then we saw a breakout. We're expecting to see the market going down, but just look what's really happening. The market just reversed. So I'm expecting it to reach maybe this resistant area to go down, or maybe we will see a breakout. That it's up to the market. But at the moment, it's a good time for us just to stay out of the market. I don't think this move is a very nice move. You can see it's quite different from that. So this one, even though we're expecting a downtrend, doesn't really move very nice, and which means yes, somewhere you can make money, but at the end of the day, it's easier also to lose because the market is not really showing us proper structures that we can easily follow and forget, right? So on USD, JPY, dollar, and JPY or Japanese yen, we can easily see that yes, the market has been going up for quite some time. If I can go on an hour or on a daily time frame, you can see that whoa, this is actually been flying. It's been going up for quite some time, but I like to see the market reverse up to this point. I think the market today will be selling. I think NFP will be selling, and maybe once we reach this support area, it's when then we can say, you know what, maybe we will be seeing a continuation of that buy. But beside that, you can see that we are still on that nice uptrend. So we can then go and try to zoom, because at the moment we just want to see some very strong structures. So at the moment, I really welcome this area. That is going to work as our potential resistance there. So around this level, it's where I'm expecting to see the market reaching before we see some very nice moves like that. But at the end of the day, we are still on that nice uptrend. So now let's push to the next one, which is Gbpusd. We can easily see that yes, we are coming from a very nice downtrend structure, but this is not nice. Whatever that we see there, not really nice. The market has been pushing or going higher. As the dollar, it was losing some momentum, but on top there, we have a very nice resistance, and we need to mark that because we had some structures here that the market did not really respect. So which means at the end of the day, we just need to wait and see what we can get from this. So that's why I'm showing you this on a bigger time frame. But above that level, we have a proper resistant area. If the market maybe breaks out of that, we might see the market starting to fly very nice. But remember, this is a resistance. Maybe the market will find or it will respect that level before going down. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So now let's go on 4 hours time frame. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So this is what we have. We can say, we can do it maybe a little bit thicker, something like that. But if you understand, I think this is how it's supposed to be. So the market is going towards that level. So the question is, will we see a breakout or not? So it's up to the market. At the moment, there's nothing we can do. Let's just wait. Then the market will show us something. But I like the fact that the market is actually going up. And yes, there is a chance for the market to break out of that, but it will depend on the NFP. If NFP is going to be positive, we are going to see some strong reversal from the US. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening? We had a proper structure like this, and as you can see, the market has been struggling around this level. The market has been struggling to break out of that structure, and I think now it's trying to break out. But the structure here, it was quite straightforward. You can see that we had this nice resistant area and we had a breakout, but the market, it's struggling to break out of this nice level. We actually have to add this there, and it makes sense. The market has been respecting that. So on the bottom side, I think it's obvious. We also have this nice support area. This was a sort of a wedge structure. But as now the market is trying to move out, means we have to wait and see if maybe we're going to have a breakout. So if it breaks out today, we're just going to look for that buy. It seems like the dollar is going to lose some momentum. And if that happens, that will be good. That will be way good. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? The US30 is not really buying that. We can see it's starting to go down. we can see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend there, consolidation, and now we broke out of that consolidation. We are on another one, so it means maybe we might have another consolidation, which means I'm expecting to see a very nice breakout there, and the market might just move like that. At the end of the day, that is going to be a very nice uptrend structure. So at the moment, we're just waiting for the market to reach our support area so that we can buy, or maybe the market will end up breaking out of that resistance before we look for that buy. If you want to learn from me, guys, it's still $350 for 6 months. Talk to me if you want to be part of the team of our mentorship, where we will be teaching you how to trade, how to have confidence, how to be consistent in the market, right? But for those who want to be part of our signals, you can try our monthly, you can try lifetime signals, which means you pay once and you enjoy unlimited signals, 12 months for $48. This special ends next week. So yeah, you can scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me. Check the link on my description. Then you can talk to me there. So now on US30, I'm just waiting for the market to respect the support area, or maybe to have a breakout. Then we can then look for that bullish or continuation of a bullish move. So this is what we have here. I think we had this trade or this structure like 2 days ago. Since 2 days ago, I think today's Friday. I think since Wednesday, the market has been here for quite some time. But yeah, now I'm expecting it to move. Yes, let's be careful. The market might move nice, but we need to get out before the news, because things might change. The market might reverse very quick. So, but beside that, we have a proper uptrend structure. So, which means we expect to see the market going even higher. You see that? So, but we had a very nice resistance around that level. Let's go closer. Let's go closer and see what's happening. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So this is the resistance that we had. Then the market actually broke out of that. So obviously, we expect to see a continuation of that buy. And maybe the market is just giving us a clue that, you know what, maybe later on USD is going to be a little bit weaker. Maybe we will see a continuation of that bullish move or of that buy. So at the moment, you can see we are already on this trade. So we're just expecting to see maybe the market reaching this level before we get out, or we're just supposed to get out before the news, and then we can just continue buying or selling later after we see what's really happening, or after we know about the results or the figures that they release, or on NFP. It's not only NFP, there's also employment change from Canada, but I will just be focusing on NFP today. Yes, an employment change from Canada can also move very nice. Sometimes we overhype NFP, but it doesn't really move that nice most of the time, you see. So on S&P 500, we can easily see that, yeah, the market is actually still on that uptrend, not different from that that Nasdaq or US Tech. So we can see that, yes, the market did break out of our resistance area. Now the market is trying to go higher. We expect to see a very nice bullish move. From the bottom side, I think you can see that we also had a very nice support, and we are still on that uptrend. So we expect to see the market going even higher. So if we can push the next one, I was surprised to see a German 30, German 40 breaking out of this area. I just saw it a few minutes ago. The reason behind that, I don't really know. I don't know if maybe there was something. I did not really see any economic news from Germany or something, but this is something that you should know. When you trade this, you have to follow their economic news, maybe the earnings and stuff like that, so that you don't just get surprised when you see some crazy moves like that. So, but the bigger structure there is we are coming from this nice downtrend structure. With this breakout, it means that the market is trying to change the trend, and we can start to look for that bullish moves or bullish trend or uptrend. So which means we are just going to look for some very nice buys, right? So guys, my throat. Yeah, let's push straight to oil. Yeah, what's happening on oil? Coming from a very nice downtrend structure. Now, since the market broke out here, we expect to see the market going even higher. And where the market is, we have a nice resistance structure there. I think the market is just consolidating, quite similar to here. And then I think market will just continue like that. So I'm still on that uptrend structure, and we can mark our resistance there. Once the market gets out of this structure, this can be a very nice buy. It can be a very nice buy, but we also need to be safe. We need to be safe. I mean, on other pairs, on other instruments, stay safe, guys. So as we expect NFP, things might change very well. Sometimes it might be in your favor, but it's silly just to try on guessing. Rather go where you are at least sure and try to trade. But when you just guess, yes, you can make something if things go in your favor, and you can lose a lot also when things don't go the way you thought, right? So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want to be part of the team, there it's our signals. Let me know. We left with a week before we call it off, so you can join the special as quick as possible. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.